You're all set up and it's time to get to the exciting part. You're ready to fire your oven. I've got some good dry wood. It's important to have wood that's less than 20% moisture content. Otherwise, you'll always be struggling with smoke. And then I've also got a little secret, fat wood. It's the heart of pine and it makes starting a fire really easy. When you start your setup, make sure you've got lots of airflow. And I do that using 3 sticks of wood across the bottom. I'm dead center in the oven, then 3 on top of it, and another 3 on top. That allows for airflow, and then all I have to do is put the fat wood underneath, and we'll be started. Whenever lighting, make sure to use natural fire starters, and be patient. It'll only take a minute to get it started. Types of wood that can be used include mesquite, maple, pecan, oak. For starters, make sure to use kiln dried, or as I said, not more than 20% moisture in the wood. It's really important not to use anything with a chemical accelerant like lighter fluid or gasoline, and avoid sappy woods like pine, fir, and cedar. And at all costs, never use stained or processed or treated woods. You can clearly see our fire is rolling. Notice it at the center of the oven. It's really important to get that fire going in the middle so that all of the stones get equally heated. Now, this is a new oven, so what I want to do is I'm going to add some more fuel to the fire, close it up, and then keep it going for about 30 to 45 minutes. Firing it at high temperature burns off anything at the factory and gets it ready for food. Make sure to add wood while you still have an active flame, otherwise you may have to restart it. After a 60-minute burn, we've successfully cured the oven. Now we're ready to move those beautiful white hot coals off to the left side. I've got a coal rake that'll keep the heat safe distance from my hands. This coal rake is an essential tool, and you can see it gives me complete control over those embers as I move them towards the fresh air vents. Use the included ash brush to gently move the ash to the left. This will ensure your cooking surface is clean and ready for pizzas. You're done cooking, and shutting down the oven is as easy as starting it up. The self-clean function allows you to burn off anything that has dripped onto the stones. Use the coal rake to distribute all of the coals evenly across the bricks, and then simply place the door snug to close the oven and allow it to burn off for about 60 minutes. As it cools, everything will turn to ash and you'll be able to sweep it out, put it in a fire-safe container, and it's ready to go for next time. Resist any temptation to wash with water. Remember, now these stones are perfectly seasoned.